Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to see logged in device on Gmail. Let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Gmail app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. Let's open it. This is the home page of your Gmail account. Now you can simply tap on your profile icon, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Tap here. Then tap on manage your Google account. Then scroll down below and tap on security and sign in. Then here tap on review security activity. And you can see your history of your login devices. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.